Hello and welcome. The holiday season is already knocking at our door, and we all want to decorate our homes this time with the most warm and cozy decoration ideas that we could do. So here is a DIY candle that we can create at home without purchasing anything from the stores. So first of all, for this we are going to need a thick plastic that can come as a wrapping to anything we buy, and then I'm cutting strips out of it. This here we are trying to make the base for our candle wick, as we are not purchasing the wick from outside. So now I will fold the strip and try to cut a circle from this, so I will be having two circular base for my wick. Now I will fold one of the circles in half and then do a very small cut on it. Fold it the other way and repeat the small cut like this. So here I have created 5 to 6 wicks base. Next thing we're gonna need is cotton balls. Any regular cotton balls you can use. We will flatten out the cotton and take a small portion from it, and then pull the sides on all 4 corners like this. Then we will join all the sides together and roll it together. This way we'll be creating a wick in the very old-fashioned way, just like this. Now we will pass it through the hole we created on our wick base like so. So the plastic needs to be on top of the cotton ball and the wick part needs to be up. Now here I have created a couple of wicks. Next thing, you can take any glass vessel or tumbler of your choice. So here I am using a couple of different shapes and sizes. I'll see what I'll end up using. These cut glass type tumblers are really pretty because they can create a very beautiful hue once lighted up. Next thing I'm gonna need is some metallic acrylic paint. You can use any color of your choice if you want. You can even use food color. There's no hard and fast rule. So I'll be pouring some water in my first tumbler, and here I'm using gold metallic acrylic paint. Just a little dab, and then I'll mix it in water. So you can see what a beautiful reflection and hue it's creating in water. So once it has mixed properly, I'll go ahead and use some vegetable oil. This is going to be the fuel of our candle. We'll pour the oil in the same tumbler. The density of the oil being lesser than water, it will start floating on top of it. And then we will just place one of our wicks very lightly on the oil to float. So this is as simple as that. You can create your own version of the candle that you want and customize it the way that you like. So I'll create another one with the same process. I'm adding water to the tumbler, and now I'm using blue metallic acrylic paint. I'll just take a dab of it and mix it in the water. So there you see, it has created such a beautiful sheen. And I'll repeat the process of adding oil. And then I'll just put the wick in very lightly. And there, our second candle is ready. Now for the next one, I'm adding some potpourri flowers into it, or petals, and then I'll be putting some glass pebbles on top so that it doesn't float when we add water to it. And then we'll just repeat the process of adding water and oil and wick. So it is as simple as this. You can customize it the way you want. You can add actual real flowers, you can use just the pebbles or just the potpourri or color of your choice. You can add food color, acrylic color, and your beautiful candles would be ready. So for the cut glass vase, I'm just adding water to it because once the wick gets lighted inside, it will already create a beautiful reflection outside, so we don't need to actually add any color or extra stuff to it. And here my wick base is getting a bit bigger for the mouth, but I'll still put it in there. So here you can see, guys, I have created all these candles in just a little time and they already look so pretty and beautiful. It's very easy to create. Please do try it at home if you like it, and do let me know how it comes out. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Thanks for watching.